Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing the No Game No Life Jibril 1/7 scale figure by Phat Company. This will be a chill unboxing video at a pretty slow pace, so please sit back and enjoy. よろしくお願いします。I got the figure on AmiAmi January of 2024 with a condition of AB, and without further ado, let's jump into it. First, let's check out the box. Inside, her Japanese name is Jibril. English name Jibril. Side caps. Here is the figure. So she comes with really cute halos, the two at the top, right? And then we have a mini figure of Shiro. And then additional faceplate with the additional hand with a skull. And here's the main figure itself. Probably gonna display her just like this. Here is the base. Wow, it's a lot of books, right? Well, she does like her books, so that makes sense. Got it's a lot of books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 books. And then 17 in her hand. Really well packaged. The part with the wing, I think it's already in there, so we don't have to assemble anything, which is awesome. I love the feather splits and like how defined it is, and also I like the color. There's a slight pink at the tip, which is really nice, and it's pretty sturdy in there, but I shouldn't wiggle it too much. It's so cool how it starts out small and then the middle is wider and then the tip is smaller. It's so cute. Here is her face. That's so adorable. So cute. The eyes though. Oh. Love the little blush that she has going on, and her expression is awesome. Very nicely done on the face. Is she best girl for you? Let me know in the comments. I'll grab. Ooh. Her bust is pretty cool. How it's kind of the arm is pushing it upward. Has a little crease. And then I'm gonna put the hand on here. 1 second. Her hand is on now. And she had a little dust on her face, so I just wanted to dust it off. Okay. Perfect. We just go on. I think the inserts has like a unique shape, so it just goes this way. Okay. Yay! Alright. So got her hand in, got her her crown, her angel head, like heavenly halo, that's the word. Yes, halo piece. Her hair looks beautiful. And what's this? How do you remove her from? Oh, it's like you just like peel it from the bottom. And then here's, I think for that piece I need a tweeze. I'm just gonna clean her wings a little bit. Yep, and here she is, complete. Here are her books. Don't think there was a wrong way to put the books together. So I have them stacked like this. I love how one of her wings is up and one is down, creating a very wabi-sabi feel. Her hair is beautiful, it's colorful, just like in the anime. I really like that single strand of hair away from her body. The assembly process was pretty straightforward. The wings were already attached, which was a relief. I did struggle a little bit with her right hand. She just looks so happy in her setting in the library reading, and I love that. I think Phat Company did a fantastic job on this figure. The paintwork is wonderful. AmiAmi did a great job packaging and shipping and getting the figure to me. Despite it being released in 2017, the figure still is one of the best in the market today, in my opinion, of her. A quick reminder that the Wonderfest is coming up shortly in February. Very excited for the event. And I will be checking out some of the streams from the folks who are lucky enough to be in Japan for it. And looking forward to the event. ありがとうございました。Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.